unfortunately, my results have been not the best. So I'm not on the market like a hot rider that everyone wants right now.
So that was Christian Craig talking with Callan Brower. So thank you to him for the video. And the question just becomes, where does he end up? There's been talks of HEP. If you look at the Pulp MX show that he was talking to Steve Mathis with, there's something about a rumor of him doing a test rider bit for Star Racing Yamaha. I've heard something or read something somewhere about Firepower Honda. It's going to be one of those things. There's an open seat at Beta. It's going to be a question of who wants him and where does he go? I don't know. I think he's a good rider. Obviously, this is 2 years after his um 250 title. Yeah, his 250 title. And the question just becomes, is he too old at this point? I mean, he's one of the oldest guys on the blocks. I mean, at whatever, 32, 33, something like that. He is old. I mean, just barely getting 2 years into his 450 career. He is kind of on the end of things. I don't even want to say it. On the Pulp show, he did say, quote, "At the end of the day, I wanted to come here and make the change and train with Alden Baker. I mean, it's been tough for sure, like, man, I just feel bad that I haven't put in the results that I was hired to do, and it bums me out for sure each week, and even how long I was off the bike. It is frustrating for sure, but I'm going to point fingers. I'm not going to point blamers or blame anything. At the end of the day, I got injured and it's taken way too long to get better. I mean, I get it. If I were them and look at the results that I put in my last 2 years off the bike so long, man, it's business at the end of the day. So all I know is I'll be racing next year and I'm excited because my arm is starting to feel normal again and I feel I can get back to where I was. Obviously, this is 3 or 4 elbow surgeries later, so like he has been off for most of the 2 years that he's been on the Husky, like whether it's been actually off the bike or just healing consistently and having surgeries and everything. It's going to be one of those things that just depends on where he goes. Like I said, HEP, be on a Suzuki next year, whatever it is, he's not going to be on an Austrian steel frame, so it's going to be back to a Japanese frame, maybe the Beta frame, who knows. Comment. I want to hear from you guys though. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Did you think he deserves a ride? Do you think you know where he's gonna go? Have you heard any rumors that I didn't talk about? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
It was done a couple weeks ago. Like when I did sign my Husky deal, it was done during Supercross. But I do believe that there's teams that believe in me still and know that when I do get back to 100%, I can be up front. So I do have options though, and I'm excited. Hopefully I can announce soon. Not announce, but people will know where I'm going soon. And but nothing but respect for the team I'm on. Like it's been awesome. The results have been not best, but they've been trying, and they never gave up on me. So I wish it would have worked a little bit better, but it is what it is. And injury kind of played the part on that one. So still, 5 rounds left total. So I do want to put in some good results for these guys.